Let's have a look how our other dolls look. Oh, the doggy's right there. Let me just fix the claw. Okay, it's on. Wait, but first you have to press the start button. So, here we go. Like that. Now off. And back on. Come on, Lola. Let's go. Okay. Here I come. There you go. Our apples are right next to it. Now let's see. How does this work? Oh, it tells you exactly how it works with the arrows. Here I come. Our dolls also here. And I'm all ready. I'm going to see what is the best thing to take. That's the most easy. Okay, let's start. What should I take? Maybe that chibi. No. Ooh, I got something. Oh no, there's a doggy there. Oh, look at that now. Look, the doggy. And there's my headband. And it's stuck. Oh no, what am I going to do? Look. Well, I suppose I'll just have to go in with my hand and get it out. Ooh, it's stuck. Wow, but here it comes. It's an ultra rare. A doggy plus a headband. And guess what? It's the only doggy there. See, there's no other doggy. But the next best thing to get is that bag. You see the black bag? It has a snow outfit in it. You can't see it right now, but it's in there. Okay, I'm bringing the stuff. Okay, now it's my turn. I've played this game before, so I know how it works. Okay, let's start. Ooh, I see the ultra rare bag. Oh no. Oh, so close. I got it. Oh no. Yay! Let's have a look. Wow! Look, guys. See? But there's a surprise on the inside. Look, it's a snow jersey. It's glitter. Even soft. Wow! Wow, I love mine. I also love mine. It has a doggy and everything. And mine's all glitter. Okay, let's play the game again. Okay, start. I see a baby. Oh. Oh yeah, I got something. I got it. It's some pants. Wow.